The sum product function multiplies ranges or arrays together the ranges of product and returns the sum of products. Sum product is an incredibly more versatile function. How to use sum product function in Excel. Suppose we have this data and want to get the total of product that, how much this product was sold during a period. Sum product function is used when we have the name of a product or name of a person and want to get the sum of that specific person or the sum of products sold during that period. Always sum product function is used for text values in Excel to get the total or sum of that text values, which are linked with other data. Write =, then sum pro. You will get full names and product functions, then just press tab button, then write -2 times, then start parentheses, give the range of product column, then write =, then product name or cell reference of the product, then close parentheses, then comma, then again give the range of quantities sold column, then close the parentheses. Then press enter. You will get your desired result, but it is better to fix the ranges by placing $sign with range cell references. Now you can see the sum of sold quantity for product A is 66 pieces. In the same way, you can get the sum sold quantity of any other product or of any person. It depends on your requirements. Now we have to fix the range of quantities sold and product sold by placing $sign like this. Select the cell references and press F for automatically. System will place $sign along with cell references. So in this way we can get the total sum of product sold in this way. We can use this function in this way. Can see product A quantity has sold 66 pieces during this period. We can use this function in this way and also can use cell reference number instead of mentioning or writing a. Now if we want to check our answer that our sum product function is correct or not, manually we will the quantity of each product and can't check with our result values. Now if we want to know the sales per person, that how much quantities has been sold by each employee, we can use the same function to know the employee's sales. This SumProduct function is used when we have big data and want to know the sales of a person or the sale of a product. We can use this function. It will provide us results in an easy way. The usage of this function can be different. It depends on your requirements and also depends on the nature of your data. Now if we want to check our SumProduct function results are correct or not manually, we can check the sales of each person like this. So in this way we can use this SumProduct function in Excel. It is very useful function when we have big data. Thanks for watching.